Hello everyone, I'm taking this video just want to show you my small idea about using the fabric and flower to decorate the table. Since the idea just a little change from my old idea, just use the component I made before. So I don't explain much detail on this video. If you are interested to know how each component was made, you can watch my old tutorial, and I will mark the link on below information field. So if you are interested to watch the related tutorial, you can find the address from below information field. But please do me a favor to do not skip the advertisement, because I will got revenue from YouTube and use that money to buy much more material and take much more video. Thanks in advance. Okay, now let's start it. First of all, the tablecloth. You can check my related video about what type of the tablecloth and how cast make the tablecloth from us. And then using this fabric, I spread out the fabric, and then like this. Using our clip, pushing. Then you will get a sweat like this. You can drag the fabric to adjust the sweat. But I think this sweat is okay for me. And then I will use this flower component. I make this component with our plastic slide. I have an old tutorial to show you how to make the flower like this by using this plastic slide in detail. If you are interested, get the link below. Okay, then very simple. Just put the flower on our clip will be okay. I add one more clip here because some people like to make the flower in the front of the table, but some people like to put it just on the angle of the table. So I add one more clip to show you the difference. But first of all, I will put the flower here. Very easy, because there's a Velcro here. Just put it, will be okay. Okay, let's check the effect. Okay, let's check other clip. Just take it off and put on this clip, will be okay. Let's check the effect. Okay, the following I will dress some leaf white and just some such fabric. And I also will add some leaf on this flower to show you the different effect. Okay, let's go one by one. First of all, let's try some sash fabric. We have other color. If you are interested, you can check my blog for the price and the detail. You can find the link from below information field. I will take 6 this nude color and 6 of this cream white flower, cream white color. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I take 6 cream and 6 nude color. If you want more, you can add more. And then tie them together. And then hang it on the flower and arrange the fabric. I will show you the effect. Okay, completed. Let's check it. Okay, let's change the sash string to the leaf white. Tucking using the leaf white, I like to use this type. I have this type also, but I like to use this type. Okay, our flower white can connect several of them to make any length you want. So I connect 2 white and wrap it on the flower. And then I will put 1 white here. I will use this clip and then hang on the spine of our practice line. It's very easy, and I will show you the effect. Okay, completed. And then let's change the leaf white to our hydrangea white. Now this is our hydrangea white, and we also can connect 2 of them to 2 or more of them to make any size you want, any length you want. Talking about our hygiene one, because I'm not satisfied with the quality. Because the petal will drop off. I'm not going to sell the hygiene wine anymore. But I know there another factory can provide the hygiene in better quality. I will develop them in the future. I'm not going to sell this hygiene wife anymore. So we are making the clearance sales for a very small quantity. If you buy them, I will group use the hot group gun to fix the petal on the wire so we can solve the problem. But just for the wire on our store, uh, we are not gonna sell them in the future. But you can buy all of them from our store. We can fix them, grip them, put the petal on the wire so they won't drop off. Okay. Okay. I will tie them together. And then use our clip and hang it on the flower. I will show you the effect. Okay, let's check the effect. Effect is beautiful. I like it. Fits our idea very well. Okay, then I just cancel the idea about adding some leaf on this flower component because the come out is not much good. I need time to find a way to solve to make it much more pretty. And also, if I know someone to want this flower ball much larger, so I will try to use our ball frame. I will make a separate video. I don't want to make a long video anymore because the analysis tell me that the average washing time is only 3 minutes. So I don't want to take the long video because no one will watch all the video. So I will separate it. Anyway, thank you for your watching. For the next video, I will make a larger flower ball with this ball frame. Please do not skip the advertisement. Okay. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.